Right now, while you sleep, something extraordinary is happening inside your body, something your conscious mind knows nothing about.
At precisely 3 a.m., your brain enters its most powerful repair cycle, one that scientists believe has been quietly protecting you your entire life. Your neurons are firing, not randomly, but in a coordinated symphony, consolidating every memory you made today, every face, every lesson, every emotion. Deep inside your brain, a microscopic drainage system has just switched on. Scientists only discovered it in 2013. They call it the glymphatic system. This system flushes toxic waste proteins from your brain. Proteins that, if left behind, are directly linked to Alzheimer's disease. But here is the critical part. This system is almost entirely inactive when you are awake. It only fully activates during deep sleep. At the same moment, your pituitary gland releases the highest surge of human growth hormone your body produces in a full 24 hours. This hormone floods your muscles, bones, and tissues, orchestrating cellular repair on a scale that simply cannot happen while you are conscious.
Your skin cells are dividing at twice the rate they do during the day, repairing damage from sunlight, pollution, and the simple wear of living.
Meanwhile, your immune system has launched its nightly offensive. T cells and natural killer cells patrol your bloodstream, hunting down anything that should not be there.
Your cortisol, your stress hormone, is at its absolute lowest. Your body has chemically forced itself into a state of restoration. Your liver is working at peak efficiency right now, processing the day's toxins and preparing enzymes your body will need tomorrow.
Your heart rate has dropped by up to 20 beats per minute. The reduced workload is giving your cardiac muscle rare, precious time to repair itself.
At the molecular level, repair enzymes are maintaining your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that determine how quickly you age.
In your gut, trillions of bacteria are in their own rest and repair cycle, maintaining the gut lining that protects you from infection and regulates your mood.
Your spinal discs are literally rehydrating right now, absorbing water and expanding. By morning, you will actually be slightly taller than when you fell asleep.
Every single organ, every cell, every strand of DNA, all of them simultaneously are being serviced, repaired, and prepared for tomorrow.
But if you wake at 3 a.m., all of this stops immediately. The glymphatic system shuts down, repair hormones plummet, the work left unfinished.
Chronic sleep deprivation, common across Britain today, allows toxic proteins to accumulate in the brain over years. Scientists now link this directly to cognitive decline.
When you finally wake, after a full night, your brain is 60% more efficient at forming new memories than it was the night before.
Your immune system is primed, your muscles are repaired, your mind is clear, consolidated, and ready. This is what your body does for you every single night.
The human body is not simply surviving during sleep. It is rebuilding, renewing, performing maintenance on a biological machine of breathtaking complexity.
Tonight, while the world outside keeps moving, your body will quietly do what no doctor, no medicine, and no technology can yet fully replicate.
So tonight, give your body what it needs. Give it the time to do what it was always designed to do. Please subscribe for more health tips.